how to transfer a PDF file to any other language. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you how you can do it, so let's get started. For that, you can head over to your Google Play Store and look out for PDF Translator. You can download this one right here, which is X Translate Language PDF Doc. So go ahead and install this application right here, and there are different options available as well. You can look out for those also, but for now, let's head over to this method in order to do it. Now, once you open the app, you should be finding this interface right here. Now, you can choose from which language you would like to change into which language. So, for example, if I have an English PDF, you can select English from the available languages. And on the translated language, you can select any other language, for example, Japanese. So, just go ahead and select that and tap on Save. Once you've changed the language, the next thing you can do is you can choose up a file to translate. So, just tap on it and choose up your PDF file from your device. For example, I have chosen this PDF file right here. Now, once you have selected everything, you can select the translation model, the Venus or the Mercury. Venus is something both image-based and text-based, whereas Mercury is something text-based, PDF, more languages, faster. So let me choose Mercury for now and look out for this translate option. Tap on it and you can just go ahead and access this application, and you can wait for it to generate the file. So it may take about some seconds for that to happen, and you may wait for the results.